All right, last video here on how to answer some of these questions. F of 4, something that we're asking you for, in addition to F of 20. So notice I've got F of X in my Y1 here. So I want to show you something. If I get a graph, we can hit the trace button, and I can scroll side to side. But when I do that, I can't decide the X values for which it's going to stop at. So I can go to 3.48, boink. We're going to go until we get up. So, all right, I got 17 point something when we're a little bit above 4. And then 13 point something when we're a little bit below 4. So I can't get exact by just tracing. There's 2 ways to find F of 4 with your calculator here. Well, there's more than 2 ways. 2 ways that I'm going to show you here. So, different ways are valuable in different. It's valuable to be able to do different things in different ways, or to do a problem in different ways, because sometimes it's good to be able to. One way is going to be better than the other. So I'm going to show you both ways here. So, the first one is to hit the second button and go back into our favorite little menu here, this trace, and see the first thing actually says value. So what I'm going to do is select value, and then look, now it allows me to type a value in. So I want to find F of 4. So I can hit 4 and then hit enter, and see it says X equals 4 and Y equals 15. And again, it's highlighting the equation that I'm working with so I can make sure it's not messed up. It's not on my screen, but I can see that it's 15. The other way is a more general way to do it, to get that 15. So that's what I'm going to write right here, 15. That's what goes in this box right here. I'm going to show you another way to do this. So I'm going to quit and go back into the main screen. I hit second and mode, second quit. So from here, I can hit alpha, and then I hit the trace button, and this is super convenient. It pulls up all my Y's, right? So remember, we were working with Y1. So I'm going to select Y1 by just hitting enter. If I wanted to select Y2, I would just hit a 2, or I would scroll down. I'm going to select Y1, and now I can use function notation. Remember, this is function notation. This says F of 4. What I want to do is say Y1 of 4. Open parentheses, close parentheses. And the calculator will read this as plug 4 into that equation. Give me that again, give me the Y value. Hit enter, bam, we get our 15. So let's do the same thing for the 20. Now again, I could hit alpha trace, or I'm going to show you another way to do this. I just pulled up Y1, so I can hit the up arrow twice and pull up my previous entry. So I'm going to hit this, enter, and it pulls that up. And then I can just scroll back and type over, I want that thing at 20. So hit 20, close the parentheses, hit enter, and we get this large number, 6,783. That's my answer for this box right here. So hopefully at this point you understand how to do this, and you can do it for the remaining equations down here.